Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, we saw high-level overview of AEM, including the key concepts and important screens. In this video, we'll move into hands-on implementation and build a simple website in AEM, starting from Sites console and ending with a page that is live on the publish instance. So let's first start from the Sites console. So yeah, as you can see, there are multiple sites which are already been created earlier. Right now, we will just simply create a new site for us to work on it. Here, there are multiple site blueprints. For this demo and video, I will just simply select v.retail template and blueprint, which gives us flexible base to work on it. Then after creating and selecting blueprint, it will give us to have a properties in specific blueprint. So we just simply delete everything the default pages and components which are present in blueprint to have clean site with us. So let's just simply delete everything which are already been present in blueprint. After that, we simply give title for our blueprint which is mandatory for us to return. Then after give a simple name for it, and for site owner we will write as admin. Then after we will click on create. We need to wait for a minute. So yeah, it shows the success symbol. The site was created. So we just simply do done. As you can see, it is loading and creating the site for right now. So yeah, as you can see, the site is now created successfully and it is listed here under the sites console. This site will be used throughout the rest of the series. Now that the site is created, the next step is to create a template. In AEM, pages are always created using templates. So before creating any page, we need to create template first. So for that, we'll go to tools. Under that, in general, we can find templates here. From there, we'll open the template console. Yes, you'll see multiple folders are present here. You can select any configuration folder for creating any template. For this demo, I am going to select demo folder. Inside this folder, you can see one template which I created in the past. Right now, I'll create a new template from create button. In that, I'll select core components library empty page, which gives us clean template without any predefined header or footer. In that, I will give template title as my blank page template number 2. Okay, yes. Then after we will create done. So as you can see, my blank page 2 is a template which we recently created and is now at this point template exists, but it still needs to be configured before we can use it to create pages. So let's configure the template because structure defines what is fixed in the template and where authors can add content. So first of all, I'll unlock the layout container so that authors can add components on the pages. Then after, in policy section, now I'll configure policy for this particular layout container to control which components can be added into this layout. First of all, we will name the we will give title for the policy. Let's give as new policy. Yeah. Then after, in general, here I will add details for the policy. So from general, for clean purpose, I will add text, image. Yes, first is image, then after text. We can also give title for this and also text and image if you want. So yeah, components are now we can access components in this layout container. So basically this policy ensures that only the required components are available for authoring. Now that the template structure is configured, the next step is to enable the template and allow it in the site. So without these steps, AEM will not allow us to create pages using this template. Let's understand why this will be happening. So we'll go back to console sites. In that we can see there will be no option for page to create for this particular site. So for that we first enable the template. Yes, you can see three dots at the template where it gives button, and then after clicking the template it will be enabled. Yes, also one more thing, we need to allow this template inside our site configuration. So in sites where we created our customized site, in that we'll go to properties, then after in advanced template settings, in allow templates we just simply give our template path to the to this particular website. So we'll just simply give conf core components in which are the examples, then after demo settings WCM templates. Yes, and then after 10 start. Yes, so once we will give a path of the template to particular website, we can now create a page for a particular website. Let's first understand how. It will take a second to render. So basically this step is very important, because if the template is not allowed here, the create page option will not appear in the console area. So we just simply save and close. We have done. Still it is rendering. We'll wait for a minute. After assigning the template path in the site properties, the page option becomes available. Yes, you can see the page option is available, and it will allow us to create pages within the site. By clicking create and selecting page, we can see our templates are listed here. I will just simply select template, and in properties, I'll simply fill out all the details quickly. So For title, we'll write demo name site. Yeah. So now the page has been successfully created using our custom template. And to allow and insert the components like image and text, we need to open editor page from here. Yes. At this point, we'll simply drag and drop the required components into the page as we need a title. Then after we might need a image. So for that image, and we just simply, if we want to customize our title, so we can also give an update from here. Let's give hello, this is demo site from AEM. Yes. And we can also give image to a particular image component. Yeah, once the content is finalized, we'll just simply, it will automatically save the content which we have inserted in the site. Then after, for viewing a particular site into publish instance, into a different instance, we need to publish the page. From quick publication, we'll just simply publish the site which we have created. Once the page is published, so I'll open the publish instance and update the URL to view our page. So yes, as you can see, the page is now successfully rendered on publish. And that's it for this video. Thank you all for watching. And if you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.